Is your battery draining rapidly on your iPhone after the last iOS update? If you're worried about your iPhone's battery, don't forget to enable these 6 settings. These advanced settings will boost your battery life 10 times better and blow your mind. So without wasting time, let's get started. Method 1. Disable less important setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Service. Scroll down, tap System Services. Now check out all the settings, and based on what you don't need to, just turn it off from here. Quickly after that, go back now and turn off the location for those apps that you don't need. Method 2. Turn off the background app refresh in iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap Background app refresh. Turn off all the settings from here. Method 3. Turn off the auto brightness on iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, tap Display and Text Size. Scroll down, turn off the auto brightness. Method 4. Remove the unwanted app on iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Now find out those apps that you don't need anymore. Just tap on, tap Delete, tap OK. Method 5. Lower down your refresh rate on your iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility. Turn off Reduce Motion. Also turn off the limit frame rate. Quickly after that, you can also activate the low power mode for your battery. Here are a couple of things that you guys can try. You can always use dark mode and use the auto lock to 1 minute. After all of that, your battery will stay much more than before. Now, if you have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section.